Good morning, Sunday morning. I'm on my next stop over, and I didn't do basically any recording the past 4 days. I've been on visiting my cousin in Kleinmonde and had an excellent time there. And thank you to Charles and Adeline. It was like staying with you people, and Charles for showing me around and also organizing the Paint by Light workshop. We actually planned that about a year ago already, or started planning it, and had good attendance, and it worked out very nice. I'm at Cannon Rocks now, and when I left Kleinmonde this morning it was rainy. It stopped raining at least now. Thunder showers on its way tomorrow or the day after. Very windy. Unfortunately at Thomas River, my little windsock puff foam thing for the microphone fell off and blew away, so I don't know. Just hope I'll be able to manage without that with the wind in audio. Anyway, and here I am now, and I'll have a look around the campsite and report on the campsites in the next 3 days. Enjoy. Cheers. Table tennis and 2 pool tables, and then there's a big serving area, bar area, and a TV. Cannon Rock Shop, winkel. Selection of meats and things. All stocked up with a lot of different things in the shop. Charcoal, firewood, Good morning, Tuesday morning. On my way to my next stopover again. Had some rain last night, and at least it cleared this morning so I could go to the beach and do some orbs. But yeah, time to hit the road again. Cheers. Just decided to stop here by Kenton on Sea. See what it looks like here. Looks like stunning beaches. I got to my next stop over about an hour ago. We had a long chat at reception. It wasn't raining when I stopped here, but it's raining at the moment, so that's the reason why I'm sitting in the van. On my way here, I stopped off at Kenton-on-Sea just to see what the beach looks like at the lagoon. And yeah, pretty nice area. And I was looking out to try and find a proper coffee Seattle that I'm so used to in Natal. And fortunate, just as I had to turn in here at this stop over here, I saw Seattle, so I had to do a U-turn, go get a coffee. So I'm all sorted, and I'm going to stay here for a couple of days. There's good Wi-Fi here. Good morning, Wednesday morning. There's some blue in the sky. You can see the sun, so definitely better weather today than yesterday and the day before. And it rained solid all day yesterday and stopped last night. So let's see what the weather does today. Good morning, Thursday morning. It rained most of the day yesterday, and the winter really came through yesterday lunchtime. It was freezing cold. And last night wasn't too cold, but this morning it's fresh. No rain. And hopefully we'll have some sun today. I believe tomorrow is going to be a lot better and starting to get warmer again. But doesn't matter. Peaceful and quiet here. I can hear there's a lot of birds around here. But I haven't seen much because of the rain, so take a walk today and see what the bird life's like. Enjoy. Grocery zone. Shop that you can get odds and sods, food-wise, snacks. Very interesting. Didn't bring my correct filming equipment here, but lots of little things. All the necessary snacks. Milk, food, sugar, tea, coffee. Right here on the river. Kiddos. Waffle zone. Ice cream, waffles, bubble tea and coffee. Definitely blue in the sky. See if it stays like that.